Welcome to page 24 of Accel Packet number 4. On this particular page, we are finding the part. In this case, the part will be the sale price. So our I can statement for the day is given a rate and a total, I can find the part. And we're certainly going to be using the formula R times T equals P. And of course, tape diagrams work perfectly for these types of problems. Let's start. Problem number 6. An item is discounted 15%, or 15 cents of every original dollar. The original cost is $45. Find the sale price. The key to any one of these problems is organizing the information in a tape diagram. Off to the side, draw a nice rectangular tape diagram. Now, we know the original cost is $45. Please mark that at the bottom of the bar on the outside. That's 100% of the cost, represented by the whole tape diagram. Now we're going to break that tape diagram into parts. Part of the total is represented by the savings, the amount that you save. So label on top of the bar, savings. And then, of course, the other portion is the portion you have to spend, known as the sale price. Now, let's label inside the bars. We know the discount rate is 15%. That's the percentage or the rate at which you save. So, if the entire bar is 100%, and you know you get to save 15%, subtract so that you find out what rate you're spending at or what your sale price rate is. In this case, as we subtract, we see we are spending at a rate of 85%. Or as we convert it to its decimal equivalent, 85 cents of every original dollar will be spent on the sale price. And over here, let's convert this to its decimal equivalent. It shows that we are saving at a rate of 15 cents per every original dollar. But go back into the problem and see that what they want is the sale price in dollars. So we're looking for this part of the bar, the sale price in dollars. Part of that $45 will be sectioned off to this part of the bar, and part will be the savings amount in dollars. But really, we just want the sale price based on what we were asked to find over here. So let's use our formula, R times T equals P. And of course, we're going to use the rate of 0.85 or 85 hundredths. That is the rate at which we're going to calculate the sale price. 85 hundredths times an original cost or total of $45. Take a moment, grab your calculator, and punch in 0.85 times $45. 0.85 times $45. And you will get the sale price for this particular item. Pause the video if you need a little time to take down the notes. When you're ready, turn the video back on. You should have gotten a sale price of $38.25. That is the cost of your item on sale. You were able to save a little bit of money, but you have to spend $38.25 on the item. Now complete the rest of the problems on this page. Make sure you organize your information in a tape diagram, number 1. And then number 2, make sure you use the 3-step process to calculate the part you're looking for. And in most of these problems, you'll be calculating the sale price. Pause your video right now, and when you're ready, turn the video back on. You'll need a calculator, and you'll need to organize your work in a tape diagram to start with, number 1, and number 2, use the 3-step process to calculate the sale price. Please pause your video now. All right, we're ready to check your work. For number 7, step 1, the tape diagram, and we're looking for the sale price part of the bar, so you're going to use 0.65. You should have gotten $111.80. Give yourself a star or a C if you've got that correct. The next one, problem number 8. We want to find the sale price. So you set all your information up in a tape diagram and use the 60% or 0.60. After applying the 3-step process, you should have gotten $33.60. Give yourself a C or a star for that one. Number 9, you should have set up the tape diagram. We're looking for the sale price part of the bar, so we're using 0.75 as our rate. And after completing the 3-step process using that rate of 0.75 in the formula, you should have arrived at an answer of $93. Give yourself a C if that one's correct. And finally, in our last problem, once again, you were looking for the sale price after setting up the tape diagram and using the rate of 0.70. You use your formula and you complete the 3-step process. You should have arrived at a final answer using that 0.70 rate, 70%. You should have arrived at $25.20. Give yourself a C if that was your answer. This concludes this page on percents.